Hello and welcome to CS DocuWarehouse Diaries. My name is Kathy, and I'm excited to share my expertise with you through this channel. Here you'll find a wealth of knowledge and insights on all things logistics, from warehouse management to document control and export operations. Whether you're a new office worker looking to learn the ropes, a seasoned professional seeking to improve your skills, or a manager looking for guidance on logistics operations, I hope you'll find value in my content. Thanks for joining me on this journey.
If you're involved in the food industry, you know that shipping food products requires more than just a delivery truck and a map. You need to ensure compliance with regulations and obtain the necessary permits to avoid delays, fines, and even product recalls. In this video, we'll take you through a comprehensive guide on food shipping permits, covering everything from the types of permits required to where to obtain them and how to ensure compliance with regulations. Whether you're a local or international food supplier, this video will provide you with the knowledge and insights you need to stay ahead of the game. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to navigate the complex world of food shipping permits. Let's dive in. Food industry licenses and permits. A comprehensive guide to compliance. Local licenses and permits. Food service permit, required by local health departments or municipalities to operate a food service establishment, such as a restaurant, cafe, or food truck. Food manufacturing permit, required to operate a food manufacturing facility, including processing, packaging, and distribution. Food storage permit, required to store food products, including refrigerated, frozen, and dry storage facilities. Food transportation permit, required to transport food products locally, including trucks, vans, and other vehicles. Business license, required to operate a business in the local jurisdiction, which may include registration with the local Chamber of Commerce or Business Licensing Authority. Zoning permit, required to ensure compliance with local zoning regulations, which may impact the location and operation of the food business. Environmental health permit, required to ensure compliance with environmental health regulations, including waste management and water quality standards. International licenses and permits. Import-export license, required to import or export food products across international borders, which may be issued by government agencies such as customs or trade ministries. Food safety certification may be required by importing countries to ensure compliance with their food safety regulations. Phytosanitary certificate, required for exporting plants or plant products to ensure compliance with phytosanitary regulations. Veterinary certificate, required for exporting animal products to ensure compliance with veterinary regulations. Harmonized System, HS, code, required for importing and exporting goods to identify the product's classification and tariff rate. Customs clearance, required to clear goods through customs at the port of entry or exit. Food additive approval may be required for importing food additives that are not approved in the importing. Logistics licenses and permits. Carrier license, required for transportation companies to operate vehicles for hire. Warehouse license, required for warehouses that store goods awaiting export or import. Freight forwarder license, required for freight forwarders who arrange the transportation of goods on behalf of clients. Customs broker license, required for customs brokers who assist clients in clearing goods through customs. Additional requirements. Food safety training. Many countries require food handlers and operators to undergo training on food safety practices. Good manufacturing practices, GMP. Food manufacturers may need to implement GMPs to ensure the quality and safety of their products. Hazard analysis and critical control points, HACCP. Some countries require food manufacturers to implement HACCP plans to identify and mitigate potential hazards in their products. Sample government permits for food shipping. Here are some sample government permits required for food shipping, both locally and internationally. Food establishment permit, required by local health authorities to operate a food manufacturing or processing facility. Food transportation permit, issued by local or state authorities to transport food products within the country. Import-export permit, required by customs authorities to import or export food products across international borders. Good manufacturing practices, GMP certificate, issued by local or national authorities to ensure compliance with food manufacturing standards. Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points (HACCP) certification, required by international organizations like the International Food Safety Authorities Network, INFOSAN, to ensure compliance with food safety standards. Certificate of Conformity, issued by national authorities to certify that food products comply with relevant standards and regulations. Phytosanitary certificate, required by plant protection agencies to ensure that food products are free from pests and diseases. Food safety certification, issued by third-party certification bodies, such as the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, to ensure compliance with food safety standards. Where to get those permits? Local health departments. Contact local health departments in your country or region to obtain permits for food manufacturing and transportation. Customs authorities. Contact customs authorities in your country or region to obtain import-export permits. National food authorities. Contact national food authorities in your country or region to obtain permits for food manufacturing and transportation. Third-party certification bodies. Contact third-party certification bodies, such as ISO, to obtain food safety certifications. Government agencies providing permits for food manufacturing and transportation. United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, provides permits for food transportation and exports. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, provides permits for food manufacturing and processing. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, provides permits for environmental compliance in food manufacturing and transportation. Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, provides permits for workplace safety in food manufacturing and transportation. Local health departments provide permits for food manufacturing and transportation at the local level. National food authorities provide permits for food manufacturing and transportation at the national level. International organizations, such as the World Health Organization, WHO, World Trade Organization, WTO, and International Food Safety Authorities Network, INFOSAN, provide guidance and regulations on food manufacturing and transportation. Additional resources. USDA Foreign Agricultural Service, FAS, provides information on importing and exporting food products. FDA Center for Food Safety and Applied Nutrition, CFSEN, provides information on food safety regulations and guidelines. International Chamber of Commerce, ICC, provides information on international trade regulations and guidelines. Please note that the specific licenses and permits required will vary depending on the country, region, or local jurisdiction in which you are operating your food business. Additionally, requirements may change over time due to regulatory updates or new legislation. It's essential to consult with local authorities and relevant organizations to ensure compliance with all necessary regulations. It's crucial to comply with all relevant regulations to ensure the success of your food business. This video is not sponsored by any company or organization. Thanks for watching my video.